In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect a newsletter in Kit with Squarespace. If you are using Kit to collect newsletter signups and you want that signup form to live on a Squarespace page, this is the exact process to connect everything smoothly. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to both Kit and Squarespace, and that you have access to the specific form you want to embed. First, in Kit, click Audience Growth. This area is where Kit manages tools that help you grow your audience. You will be working in this section to find the landing pages and forms that Kit can generate for you. Once you are in Audience Growth, the next screen should show options related to forms and how people can sign up. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This is where you can open the form you want to use on your Squarespace site. At this stage, think of it as finding the exact sign-up component that Kit will provide. When you click it, look for the section where your existing forms or landing pages are listed. Then, open the form. Choose the form that you want visitors to fill out on your Squarespace page. If you have multiple forms, open the one that matches the newsletter you are promoting. This ensures the embed code you copy will connect to the correct sign-up experience. After you open the form, click Embed. You are now switching from simply viewing the form to getting embed instructions. This step matters because Squarespace will need a specific snippet of code to display Kit's form inside your page. Next, click JavaScript. Kit often provides different embed options depending on what platform you are using. Selecting JavaScript ensures you receive the right type of code snippet that Squarespace can use in the page editor. Then click Copy. This copies the Kit code to your clipboard. Before you move on, make sure that the copy action completed, because the code is what you will paste into Squarespace. It is a good idea to keep your Kit tab open while you switch over, so you do not lose your place. Now you will move to Squarespace and place the embed code on the correct page. In Squarespace, open the page where you want the newsletter signup to appear. Click Edit to enter the page editing mode. This is where you will add a code block that can render the Kit embed. Once you are in the editor, click Add Block. This opens the list of elements you can insert into your page. Since you are inserting code, you need a block designed for custom or embed scripts. Select Code. This block is specifically made for adding code snippets within Squarespace content. After you select code, you should see a code input area appear on the page, or you may need to activate the block for editing. Next, click the pencil icon. This lets you edit the code block content. The pencil icon is your way of focusing in on the code field so you can paste the embed snippet cleanly. Then, paste the Kit code. Make sure you paste the full embed snippet exactly as provided by Kit, without leaving parts out. After pasting, double-check that the code looks complete and that there are no missing characters or extra spaces that might interfere with it. Finally, click Save. This saves the changes to your Squarespace page. After saving, give the page a moment to update, and then you can preview the sign-up form to confirm it loads correctly and works as expected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.